Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue reteaching maths for standard 6 lesson number 3 playing with numbers. Okay students, let's continue highest common factor. Now what is highest common factor? Yes, the highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the highest of their common factors. Now I had taught you how to find the common factors between 2 digits and 3 digits. Yes, I had taught you to find factors for single digits. Then I had taught you to find for 2 or 3 digits. Okay, so now similarly, now we'll find the HCF from that factor method. And HCF is also known as GCD or the greatest common divisor. Now, what are the numbers for 24 and 36? So, I write 24 and 36. I will first find the prime factorization. Okay. Now, 2 12s are. Again, it will go in the table of 2 6s are, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. You all remember the prime factorization method. Okay. It's always used for HCF and LCM sums. Now, 36 again I will take by 2. 2 into 18. Now 2 into 9 and 9 will go in the table of 3 and 3 into 1. Now what are the factors of 24? What we got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now what are the factors of 36? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now what are the common factors? You all know I had taught you to find the common factors also. Now what are the common factors? 2, 2 and 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Now I will find my HCF. HCF will be the multiplication of all the common factors. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So my HCF is 12. You all know this method. You all know to find common factors. When you multiply the common factors, you get your HCF. Isn't it easy? Similarly, one more sum. 15, 25 and 30. What do we do? Yes, we find the prime factors. So 15, we 5 3s are and 3 1s are. For 25, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. For 30, 2 15s are, then 5 3s are and 3 1s are. Okay, easy. Okay, now what are the factors of 15? 3 into 5. Always learn to write it in ascending order. For 25, 5 into 5. And for 30, 2 into 3 into 5. Now tell me what are the common factors of all these numbers? Only 5. Okay students, it is not necessary. You can get only one common factor, or you can get 2 or more common factors, or you may not get a common factor also. I have taught you that sum also. Okay, now here you have only one common factor, so my HCF will be 5. When you have no common factor, the HCF of the numbers will be 1. Always it will remain as 1, because I have told you common factors are always 1 and the number itself. After HCF, the next important topic is lowest common multiple, or the LCM. Now what is the LCM? It is of 2 or more numbers is the lowest of the common multiples. So our topic was of factors and multiples. So when you find the common factors, you get your HCF. When you find the common multiples, you get your LCM. When you do the factors separately, you get your HCF. For LCM, I have always advised you to do both numbers together. Now 12 and 18. 12 and 18, we will try to find the LCM, HCF common factors together. Okay, the factorization together. 2 6 are 12 and 2 9s are 18. Okay, then again I will take 2 3s are 6, but 2 will not go in the table of 9, so you write the number as it is. Then next common I can start with 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9, and again 3 1s are and 3 1s are. The 1 remains as it is. LCM means I have to multiply all the multiples, so it's better to do it together. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So when I multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 3s are 36. My LCM is 36. If you do two numbers separately, you have to find the common factors, then uncommon factors, and then multiply. The method becomes long, so it's better to do it together. Let's find the LCM of one more number, 24 and 90. Write the numbers next to each other. Start prime factorization by 2. 2 1s are and 2 2s are. Then 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So 45. Now again by 2. 2 6s are. Now 45 it will not go. Write the number as it is. Now again I can take by 2. 2 3s are and again 45 will remain as it is. Now next number we start with 3. 3 1s are, 3 1s are and 3 5s are. Okay. Now again 3 1s are and 3 5s are. 5 1 1. So we got it. Now we got all the prime numbers. Now the LCM will be multiplication of all these numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, see that you copy the numbers properly. Now we multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now 24 you have to multiply by 3 and then the answer by 5. So I take my rough work column. 24 into 3. 4 3s are 12, carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Now 72 I have to multiply by 5. Don't forget any number, otherwise your full answer will go wrong. 5 2s are 10, carry 1. 7 5s are 35 plus 1, 36. So my answer is 360. I hope you all have understood.